Welcome to Digital Marketing Insights Lab by Intelligent Digital Design, the go-to destination for unlocking the secrets of digital marketing success. And we are thrilled to have you here. In this video, we want to give you a warm welcome to our channel and provide an overview of what you can expect from Digital Marketing Insights Lab. At Digital Marketing Insights Lab, our hosts, both real-life and AI-generated, are committed to empowering startups, marketing professionals, and DIY enthusiasts with expert strategies, actionable insights, and the latest trends in the digital marketing landscape. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, we've got you covered. On this channel, we dive deep into a wide range of digital marketing topics. You can expect in-depth discussions on search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, social media marketing, content strategy, and more. We'll explore the fundamentals, best practices, and advanced tactics that can take your digital marketing efforts to new heights. Our team brings over 25 years of experience to the table and have witnessed firsthand the transformative power of digital marketing. Through our experiences, we've learned valuable lessons and strategies that we'll be sharing with you to help you achieve your marketing goals. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and share your thoughts. I'm here to foster a vibrant community where we will learn and grow together. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey as we embark on Digital Marketing Insights Lab. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll deep dive into specific topics and provide you with actionable insights that can make a real difference in your digital marketing efforts.